Hello everyone, Dr. Sam here. On today's episode of Dolphin Doctor, we'll be learning about how dolphins are similar to humans. That's right, dolphins have a lot in common with you and me. Pretty cool, right? Dolphins are mammals, just like you and me. You know what makes a mammal a mammal? Well, for one, mammals breathe air. Dolphins breathe through their blowhole. Blowholes are right on the top of their heads. And they can't breathe through their mouths. The blowhole is similar to our nose. But can you imagine your nose being on top of your head? The tube that attaches our noses to our lungs is called the trachea. Unlike humans, a dolphin's trachea is separated from its esophagus by a special organ called the goosebeak. Goosebeak? Okay, that's a nickname. Good news. Goosebeaks keep dolphins from choking on their food like we humans sometimes do. Like us, dolphins are social creatures. And, fun fact, dolphins' flippers have a similar skeletal structure to our arms and hands, including a humerus, radius, ulna, and even 5 phalanges, or finger bones. We humans control our own body temperature through the hypothalamus. That's a part of the brain that acts like a thermostat. We sweat when we're hot and shiver when we're cold. Dolphins and other marine mammals can also control their body temperatures. You won't see them basking in the sun like a crocodile or a lizard to keep them warm. Dolphins, like all mammals, give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed their newborns. We don't lay eggs. Dolphins don't have to find prey to feed their newborns. Birds have to leave their little ones in the nest while they fly away to find food for them. We mammals also have hair. For some marine mammals, that hair is easy to see. Think seals, sea lions, and polar bears. Have you ever seen a hairy dolphin? I don't think so. You will only find a few small hairs on a newborn dolphin's face, and the hair falls out a few days after they are born. Scientists think the hairs are used by the calf to find their mom when nursing. You'll hear some people say that humans have big brains, but this is also true for many other mammals. An animal with a brain larger than a human doesn't mean it's smarter than we are. The size of the brain is consistent with the size of the rest of the animal's body. Think about a sperm whale. They have very large brains, but they weigh 35 to 40 tons. When looking at brain size compared to body size, dolphins fall in next behind humans. Chimpanzees are next in line. And check out the rest of the list of smartest animals on the planet. Might be surprised. Sure, dolphins and chimps, but pigs, crows, rats, squirrels, and octopuses also top these lists. All mammals need to nourish and feed our bodies. We need to feed those big brains of ours too. The brain is dependent on sugar as its main fuel. We do that with glucose, which is the primary source of fuel for the cells in our bodies. There are natural sugars in lots of the food we humans eat, and our bodies are able to break down that sugar in our liver. The fish that dolphins eat are high in protein, not sugar. So dolphin livers have to work extra hard to turn that protein into glucose. Bet you didn't know that dolphins have been studied to better understand diabetes in humans. Humans are driving the decline of marine mammal habitats, and it is up to us to protect and preserve their ocean home. Just like dolphins and other marine mammals, humans are also severely impacted by the declining health of our oceans. Diseases found in dolphins are similar to human diseases and can provide clues about how human health might be affected by exposure to contaminated water or seafood. Dolphins are an indicator species for the health of our oceans. An indicator species is a species or organism whose presence, absence, or abundance indicates the condition of their environment, good and bad. The health of our oceans drives the health of our planet. Both humans and dolphins need healthy oceans to live and survive. we can all make a difference. Thanks for watching. See you next time.